In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and share a project link in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Sharing project links with your team can streamline communication and collaboration, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open the specific Asana project that you intend to share. This will allow you to see all the tasks and project details associated with it. Take a moment to review the project and ensure everything is in order before sharing it with others. Once you're in the project, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a sharing window where you can customize access to your project information. In this sharing window, you'll be presented with several options. You'll want to scroll to the bottom to find the option that says Copy Project Link. This step is crucial, as it will allow you to create a unique link to your project that you can then distribute to others. After you've located the Copy Project Link button, click on it. This action will automatically save the URL to your computer's clipboard. It's a seamless process, making it easy to move directly to the next step without any hassle. Now that you've copied the link, it's time to share it. You can paste the copied link into an email, chat message, or even your favorite document. Whatever method you choose, make sure to provide some context about the project to give your recipients a better understanding of what they're looking at. If some team members need editing access instead of just viewing rights, you can easily modify the permissions for them. This is done in the same sharing window where you found the Copy Project Link button. Simply adjust the permission levels according to what those new members need. This ensures they can collaborate more effectively without any hiccups. Before you send out the link, it's crucial to remind everyone that they will need an Asana account to access the project. This is an important step to make sure that the people you're sharing with can actually view the details. Once you've done all that, you can send out your messages and everyone will be able to access the project through the link you've shared. It's a straightforward process that enhances teamwork and keeps everyone on the same page. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to copy and share a project link in Asana. Make sure to check your result now. Take a moment to verify that the link works as intended and that your teammates can access the project. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of your Asana experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy collaborating!